DTG Recycle, we are the largest construction, demolition, industrial waste recycler in the Northwest. We have over 250 rolling stock units. We have 8 material recovery facilities. We operate a construction demolition landfill in Eastern Washington. We got started in 1999. We started with 1 pickup truck and a trailer, seeing the need for drywall recycling at the time. We've now morphed that into now all construction, demolition, industrial waste recycling, wood recycling, asphalt shingle recycling, drywall recycling. The drywall recycling we manufacture back into gypsum, which we use for fertilizer. In the eastern part of the state, we put it back into the agricultural market. Our vision is world-class and 1% better. The value we get from Dobbs Peterbilt is the service. The sales team's great. Management team is great. They're here to support us. They're giving us everything we need to grow.